Okay, this is hopefully our final work day at the golf course house. Let's put it on the market. Dave's doing some finishing touches up there, trying to get those mauve shutters to turn white. So on the exterior, we didn't really do a lot. I just painted the shutters and added some plants. Did some landscaping, little mulch. All right, well, let's see how this house turned out. We redid this foyer with Italian porcelain. So we have new hardwood throughout. We have new paint throughout. There's our interesting fan. Coat closet right off the foyer. It was not easy to put the tile in. This fireplace took an effort, but it's finally finished. Here's the office with French doors. And it's got a pretty nice big closet. Shelving unit. This area used to have a door in it, but we turned it into a bay window. I think it would be a small sitting room, a couple of chairs and a lamp, maybe a little reading nook. This is how the great room turned out. This house really has two different areas for putting tables, so you could put a formal dining table there, or there's another room over here. You could put the formal dining room in this area. Assume one will be a breakfast area and one will be a dining area for whoever moves in. This is how the kitchen turned out. Before it was all maple cabinets, stained maple, and we gave them a white kitchen, which seems to be very popular at this time. It's got this nice island with a sink in it. And dishwasher, all stainless appliances. This house has a pretty good amount of cabinet space. That's a new backsplash. These are granite countertops. And there's one pantry here. All of our drinks are currently stored there. And then there's a second pantry. It's a lot bigger. Nice shelving units. This is a first floor half bath, and that's a new Kohler toilet. This is a very nice vanity. This is the laundry room. The entry to the garage used to be right in the wall right there, but we turned it into a hallway so that the hall now passes right into the mudroom and makes this room a lot more part of the house and functional. So this is the unit that we built. This is actually a really huge mudroom. So we made this storage unit for them with a bunch of lockers and hooks to hang things and places for boots. We put this floor in. Tile floor for the mudroom. And then the utilities are over here. Water heater and our brand new furnace. It's also a new air conditioner outside. And then in here is our 3-car garage, which has completely been redone. We gave them epoxy floor, painted all the walls, and also texturized the ceiling. Here's our foyer chandelier from below. There's something that my son says is his favorite part of the whole house. Is just this walkway. It's kind of like a bridge. And you can see a lot of the open great room from here, looking down on that interesting fan. The bay window. Here is the chandelier that we finally chose. It's nice and contemporary. Has an interesting look. This is bedroom number 4. It's a nice size and it has some interesting layout. It has another one of those giant boxes in front of the window. It's got a nice view. Next door neighbor's got some good landscaping. And a nice little closet with shelving in it. This is bedroom number 3. I like this one a lot. It reminds me of a church because it's got these, it comes up to this point. Next couple bedrooms have double closets with nice shelving units. This is bedroom number 2. I think it's the smallest of the bedrooms, but it's still a reasonably good size. It's also got the double closet. This is the full bathroom that is upstairs. Tiled floor, vanity. And this is got a tub in it. It's a pretty nice tub. In this room we painted tan. Here's the master bedroom. It's a really good size. I'm going to replace that window. Our neighbors to the left just put in these 2 landscaped areas and they're really nice. Up there goes Dave. He's actually out putting his real estate sign in as we speak, so that's kind of fun. What's going on out here is that's actually the 13th hole of a nice private golf course, and so we're putting one of our for sale signs right out in the backyard, so when golfers come by we might attract a buyer that way. Alright, Dave's just about to get that sign in. Maybe these golfers that are right there are gonna come running over to buy. Alright, so this is the master bedroom. There's a really high ceiling, like a lot of them were in this house, making it a bit challenging to paint. All right, well this is the master bathroom. And Dave's daughter Ashley is a designer. She's an interior designer and she put together a really nice scheme for us. So this is all new tile. That is a Carrara marble top on the vanity, and we painted that white and we put those poles on. Those are new faucets, wide set faucets, and that mirror is new. as is the lighting above. And something kind of cool here is we have a dimmer. So if somebody's taking a bath or something, they could have a little nice mood lighting in here, which is a good deal, which I think somebody is going to like. Then that is a soaker tub. Dave put an access panel right there. The mosaic tiles are on an access panel, so if there ever was an issue, it'll be really simple to get into the plumbing. And that is our walk-in shower and soaker tub spa. I guess as we've mentioned before, this bathroom was long and narrow, so we spent a long time trying to come up with a solution for this bathroom. Because if we did a giant walk-in shower, there wouldn't be room for a tub at all. And if we wanted to put in a soaker tub, then it was going to have to cut into the walk-in shower. So then we saw a solution, which was to put both of them behind one panel of glass. And they're just right next to each other. And it makes a really spacious area for both the soaker tub and the walk-in shower. So this is a semi-frameless glass enclosure. Everything is brushed nickel in here, which has a nice look to it. And this glass is really thick and sturdy. It's 3/8 inch thick, so the option was to cheap out and go with 1/4 inch, but then it would be real flimsy. There's the floor, and it drains quite nicely. And then here's all the options somebody has when they take a shower. Our next door neighbor was here last night and he said it looked like a car wash. So I guess because of the many options you have to bathe. So this is a diverter and it's got 6 settings on it. And so in the shower, there's Dave's niche, which turned out nicely. Put some shampoos and soaps there. That's the control valves. One will control the amount of water pressure and the other one controls the hot and cold. And then on this wall, this diverter has 6 settings, and you can use any of these 3 options, which would be, you can use the wand, or you can use the rain shower head, or you can use these body sprays. So you could use any of those 3, or you can do a combination of 2 of the 3. And it's kind of neat because this will turn, so if 2 people are in the shower, one could be using it over there on the right, and this person could move this one over to the left, however they want to do it. And also with the soaker tub, it's kind of cool because this wand will extend all the way over to the tub. And so if somebody had little kids, they could wash the kids' hair in the tub, and then hopefully it won't be so much of a struggle for the parents. So this is how the tub turned out. It's got a mosaic tub surround. So we had to build this particular wall in order to support the plumbing inside and the glass enclosure. This toilet is brand new. It's a Kohler toilet with the soft close seats. This closet isn't the biggest in the world, but it is a walk-in closet and it's not a bad size. It has all kinds of, racks, places to hang your clothes. This is a shot of our backyard. It has a lot of nice trees, really nice landscaping. This house had some existing landscaping that was nice. We added the splashes of color. My wife Lori was directing me, and now it looks really nice. So nice work, Lori. There's a nice porch. A lot of this backyard is in shade. There's a cool breeze. And here we are, actually finally, after about 4 months of work, loading everything back up. Dave's car looks a little bit laden at the moment. We're happy to report that this house sold a short while after we listed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Our next video series will show how we renovated this 6,000 square foot lake house. Thanks much for viewing, and we'll see you in this next video.